How to add makeup in FaceApp. Want to glam up your look without lifting a brush? Here's how to add makeup using FaceApp, all in a single tap. First, launch the FaceApp application on your device. Now from your gallery, choose the photo. Now once your image loads, scroll to the button menu and here tap on Makeup. FaceApp offers a range of makeup tools from natural tones to many others. Like here you can see some requires the premium, so you can try styles like winged eyeliner like this. You can change it like this. Yeah, in that way you can apply makeup on your photo. Once you are satisfied with the look, tap on apply, then tap on save to download the image. And that's how you enhance your look with digital makeup using FaceApp. No process, no mess, just stunning results in seconds. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe and tell us in the comments which makeup filter is your favorite. Thank you for watching.